Join me as I take on the challenge of boosting a powerful framework for conducting keyword research that is effective and efficient. Specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. These 5 aspects of the SMART criteria can help you create a keyword strategy that is tailored to your needs and goals. By being specific, you can identify keywords that are closely aligned with your content and target audience. Measurability allows you to track the performance of your keywords and make data-driven decisions. Achievability is about setting realistic goals and expectations for your keyword research, while relevance ensures that your keywords are closely tied to your content, health and wellness, or lifestyle advice. Conducting SMART keyword research involves a step-by-step approach that starts with brainstorming and research. You begin by identifying a list of potential keywords related to your content, using tools like Google Keyword Planner or SEMrush to generate ideas and insights. From there, you can refine and narrow down your list, using the SMART criteria to evaluate and prioritize your keywords. This involves assessing the specificity, memorability, livability, relevance, and time-bound nature of each keyword, and selecting the ones that best meet your needs and goals. One effective technique for